Ooh, look at her. She finna try it again. Bless her little heart. She's about to try it again, but I think she's more confident this time because she realized her mistakes the first time. So it may take her a little while to get it together, but she's going to get this tent up today. Let me tell you something. She's so determined that she is focused and she is going to execute it and it is going to be accomplished. So stay tuned. But something I've been noticing about you guys, you don't comment, you don't like, you don't say anything, you just watch and you go. Listen, listen. Everyone that comes on my platform, I'm praying for you. I see you. So I want to see your face. I mean, I want to see your name and I just want to know that there's somebody's have subscribed to me. You're liking my content that will help my channel. Listen, I'm not only just getting people to come over to my page and listen to me, or I'm going to pray. I'm going to be praying and interceding for you as well. So we're family, and I'm just excited to meet you. And I just want you to know that I love you and that I'm praying for you and that everything's going to be all right. But look at this. But look at me, y'all. Look. It's going to be okay. It's a struggle. I'm still struggling. But I'm going to get that tent up today. It's going up. No doubt about it. It looked like it's a struggle, but that's how the beginning starts. But the ending will be a success. God bless.
Just a simple lady named Karen from a country town in Alabama. She loves to talk about the Lord and the blessings He affords, creating peace so sweet and true, comfort shining bright and new, tranquility in every way, praising Him day by day. Abiding in His presence, Lord, seeking Him with all her might. Higher love she longs to see, spreading grace so wild and free. Her heart is full of joy untold. In His love she stands so bold, whispering words so soft and kind, healing every troubled mind, creating peace so sweet and true, comfort shining bright and new, tranquility